Welcome to a series I like to call Garage Sale. Very creative, I know. Now, if you've ever watched YouTube videos on garage sales, which I haven't watched too many, but most of them are just like the actual garage sale and a little bit of the process. Now, I really wanted to have a really detailed series where I show you guys the ins and outs of a garage sale. So we're going through one room at a time. Today, it's going to be our room. We're going to go through my little sister's toys over here, through our clothes, and that should really be it. Just her toys, clothes, maybe a little bit in my closet, but everything out the open I use very regularly, so I don't think we'll need to be going through any of those things. But let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay guys, this is Johanna's toy area and it's literally a hot mess. Like, it's overflowing with toys, so I'm actually very excited to go through this because her birthday's coming up too, so she might get some more things from other people. So the first thing I think we should go through are your stuffed animals.
Oh my gosh, Gracie. You should have made a marshmallow cake for me with hot chocolate dripping down there.
My arm is starting to hurt really bad, so let's go through your stuffed animals. We're going to go ahead and take our stuffed animals to that side of the room so that there's more room to record. And yeah. Now we're going to play a little tune. So right here are some toys that we already went through like a few months ago. So we're going to set this to the side. And we're going to go through her stuffed animals right now. Oh! Time lapse start now! Okay, these are some of the stuffed animals that she's getting rid of. Well, it's actually quite a bit. Some of these stuffed animals were ours as kids and stuff like that, so we're going to put them where they go. I'm sad she's getting rid of some of these stuffed animals. Like, some of them are like memories to me, but we'll see if my mom is going to keep any of them for keepsakes or anything like that. And yeah. We're able to fit our bigger stuffed animals that have just been on top of this bean bag for months into there. So now we can actually use it.
Fist pole.
Then can you see your head? Duck down. Okay guys, don't mind that you can see part of my bed. I'm sorry that you can, but I needed to set you guys up higher. But this is all of her toys, at least from that area over there. And then we have toys under this bed, and then that is it for her toys. Why is there a box of rocks?
There's my rock collection. got this for me. I think it's Honey. He got this for me for Hot Wheels.
Here is some more little things that you can get rid of. Some of these toys right here. Battery's about to die, guys, but we're going to get rid of these costumes right here because they're all too small, sadly. So we're going to get rid of these. Okay, guys, so we went through her toys and stuffed animals today. We still have a little bit of toys like under her bed right here. But that is what we've gotten done so far. As you can see, got a lot of stuff done, and I'm very thankful for that. I'm thankful for Johanna's hard work. Okay, guys, so we're going to queue to tomorrow, and we're going to finish up going through her toys, and we're going to go through her clothes as well. Thank you, Johanna, for your hard work. We're going to finish going through these toys under your bed tomorrow, and you want to go through your clothes too, or no?
I guess.
You guys, you get paid for how much work you do.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. You did a good job, though, getting rid of a lot of stuff tonight. And we're going to go ahead and queue to tomorrow, where we go through the rest of the stuff.
Cute.
Yeah, you are cute.
Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Well, we're gonna do the rest of this stuff. Bye.
Here we are. It's the next morning. Well, afternoon. So we're going to go through Johanna's toys right under her bed, right behind me here. Go through her clothes. I already went through my clothes like a month or two ago, and I haven't been shopping since. I don't think I have. Maybe like once. I don't know. I went through my clothes, and I know that I've gotten rid of everything I don't want. Maybe a bathing suit or two I'll get rid of. I don't know. And also we're going to go through my closet just a little bit, but I don't really think there's anything in there, so that'll take literally probably 5 to 10 minutes. Same with my clothes, 5 to 10 minutes. But Johanna's drawer probably be like 20 minutes maybe. And under her bed probably about 20 minutes. So I'm ready to get done. Maybe if I really flatten my body. There we go. Okay. That's it. Are you ready?
Okay, so this is day 2.
Here's some of the stuff she's getting rid of. So this RV, it's kind of cheap, so it's not a name brand or anything. This Barbie car, she has another one, and it comes with a boat, so I think she likes that one better. This little squishy dinosaur. She used to actually sleep with this for like a few months. She slept with this like every night. I don't know why. And she named it Luigi, so that's cute. Then we have a spirit horse. It's just McDonald's. This one is like really old. You like push down the saddle and then you push this and it launches, and it came with a man but he broke, and you like launch him up. I don't know. This came with something too. I don't know what it was. I think it's shopping or something. That came with a unicorn. Here's this. This is so cute. I think this would sell for like $1. Well, probably like 50 cents or. It's from the Lion King. She got this when she turned like 4 or 5 or something. I got that for her, but yeah. Some brushes, lots of Barbies. This Barbie comes with like hair and stuff. Probably just getting rid of this Barbie. She always plays with this one, so I'm like, you know when she tries to get rid of, someone gets rid of stuff and you're like, are you sure about that? I might just put this one back, honestly, because she plays with this one all the time. So these Barbies right here were actually my Barbies, but I didn't really, well, all 3 of these were mine. I didn't really play, I did play with these often, but they weren't like my favorites. I put a lot of my favorites that were actually mine over here. I used to collect these erasers. They were like $1 surprise erasers. They were literally $1 each. This was Prince Eric. Went to Prince Eric because I was obsessed with like Little Mermaid. I don't know about these little miscellaneous things, but right here we have singing Ariel. See, and it glows. It doesn't really glow right now, but yeah. Then these 2 strawberry shortcakes. Her skirt's falling down. These 2 strawberry shortcake. One is plum and then actual strawberry shortcake. And like she comes with, well, I think these go to her and these go to her. But anyways, these are their boots and their hair. Their hair. Smells so good. I got these from my grandma. 1 year. Hello. And then this was a Cinderella Barbie, which I loved this one too. So I was glancing through Johanna's dresser, and really most of the stuff in here fits her. I don't really think there is anything in here that really doesn't. Maybe like 1 or 2 things. Let's see what size this. Like 4. See something like this, get rid of, but also this kind of low-key keepsake. So I'm just like, I don't think I'm in the mood to go through her stuff. Okay, so I didn't get much of anything out of my closet like I assumed, but I did get this little Olaf thing, and then some shoes, some slippers I haven't worn in years. These boots that were given to me by my aunt, but I never wore them. Like, she just didn't like them, so yeah, I might keep them. I don't know. These were given to me by a church leader, but they're just a little too tight and small, but they're the cutest boots ever. I love them so much, but they're just a little too tight. These, I don't know. They're just not really my style, so we'll see. I don't think we'll keep any of this. Okay guys, I think we did really good. As you can see, we have a whole box of toys and costumes right there, as well as some like old shoes. We have this little Olaf little painting right there. We have this huge bag of stuffed animals, some old little Barbies and little things like that, as well as a baby doll stroller, an RV, and a Barbie car. I think we did pretty good. My head was cut off in my outro, so this is now my outro. Oh, hello. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy us going through our room, Johanna's toys, etc. It was mainly Johanna's toys more than anything that we were going through today. If you did enjoy, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing down below, and commenting what you're most excited about for this series. I don't know whose room we'll do next, but we'll see. And also stay tuned for the actual day of the garage sale, setting it up and everything like that. Hope you guys did enjoy so very much. See you guys later. Bye!